return to the country castle. It is the last day of the year. I actually have kids playing with Nerf guns outside right now. You might hear them in the background. We had a wonderful Christmas. We had toys and fun and all the things that you could hope for your Christmas season. I have so many videos that I am so excited to share with you over the next few weeks. We have rearranged all the kids' bedrooms. The day after Christmas, we actually moved 5 beds, 2 dressers, 1 vanity, side tables, rugs. I just have so much I want to share with you. Ways that we are refreshing our spaces. I don't know about you, but I love a new year. I actually love a new week. I see Mondays as a new opportunity to start your week off fresh. New Year's are so wonderful and fun for me. I actually don't do a New Year's resolution, but I do a word that I embody. So I will share that with you over the next couple of days because a word did spark with me over the last few weeks, something that just kept reoccurring and kept coming up. And I'd like to share that word with you. I will in a couple of days. We've got Sophie here, she's so tired. But what I wanted to share with you today is just a little glimpse of our Christmas morning, putting away Christmas. I feel like I'm equally as excited to put up Christmas as I am to put it away. And I know I'm not alone on that. It's just so fun to have the house decluttered, fresh, clean, and ready for the new season of spring. I have all of my springtime bouquets throughout my home just because they elevate me and they're just so beautiful to see. So I hope that you enjoy. This is just a little bit of what we've been doing over the last few days, and stay tuned for more videos sharing so many fun projects. Oh, and I forgot to share. I have a recap video that I will be putting together of my 2024 house projects. I sometimes forget how many projects I sink my teeth into, and those will be so fun to share with you as well. Some really good before and afters. And so stick around for those, keep your eye out for those videos, and I hope you enjoy our Christmas cleanup and our refresh of our home over the last couple of days, and I hope you have a wonderful new year. It's always fun putting away all of our holiday decorations. It doesn't take us that long, but it is an event no matter what you're doing in this house. When you're adding another cleanup element, it just seems to take a little bit more time and attention. I love to save all of my ribbon. I always wrap it up every year and I put it in an old shoebox, and it's something that I just keep collecting. In fact, I was at my in-laws' house for Christmas and I definitely gathered everybody's cast off ribbon because I think it's so beautiful to collect all these different ribbon pieces. I have all of my handmade bows. We don't have any fancy boxes to put our decor in. We use shoes boxes and orange boxes, and I actually just love that because it's just so sweet and just not fancy at all. Now, I've shown you this before that we just use the same vases all year round, and I just switch out the greenery, and it is something just so simple and makes a big difference when you have just a vase full of beautiful flowers with whatever season you're in. So that is something that I always add to my decor. We are also getting all of our garlands stowed away. I have loved these garlands from Target. I have linked them in my description on my LTK. It is my Like It to Know It link. They are fabulous. They store really well. We also have a fake tree. We've been asked about our tree, and it is a Balsam Hill tree. And right now is the perfect time to buy your Christmas tree because they are super discounted. That is how we bought our tree 3 years ago. We bought it after the holiday season and we were able to get a really good deal. I can attest to the quality. It is so amazing. We have enjoyed putting this tree up year after year. It looks real, but it's fake, and that is the perfect mix for us so that we don't have the mess of a real tree, but we get the ambiance of a beautiful real tree. We do have some glass ornaments, but most of our ornaments on our tree are plastic due to the stage of our life and children touching ornaments. And we had ornaments taken off the tree and used as hockey pucks this year. And all of a sudden our broomsticks became hockey sticks and the kids were playing throughout the house. And so definitely plastic was the right choice for us this year for our ornaments. We do have some special ones that we always collect year after year. This one is one that was given to us when we were newlyweds. What a fun special gift to give a newlywed couple is the year they were married. We love bringing it out year after year. And then we always add a little ornament, something special every year to our collection, and just love seeing it grow. And we love putting them away and just tucking them away as well. I look forward to the changing of seasons and definitely refreshes after holidays. I always take it as an opportunity to not only refresh my home, but refresh myself emotionally. And we all know that our homes are a reflection of what we're feeling inside and how we're feeling. And I love to add little elements of springtime as kind of a reminder that spring is coming. And so I like to add little florals to my vases and just pops of color, which just brighten up our spaces. And whether it's the cherry blossoms on the table in my entryway or the hydrangeas on my coffee table, it is just showing us that spring is on its way. I've also been very much intentional and in tune to the fact that I am not the only one that lives here. We can have a beautiful home, but what does make a beautiful home is a home that looks like everybody lives there and is happy. Having this Barbie doll house in my decor, I think, is so fun, and it makes me smile every time that I see it behind our sofa. That is kind of where our kids love to play. So just refreshing our spaces and recognizing that they don't need to be perfectly clean, but it's more important on how they feel is very important to me as a mother. There is a lot that I learned about myself in the year of 2024. I learned that despite me saying that I can't be organized, that was a lie. I can be organized. I was able to stick to meal plans. I was able to stick to a cleaning schedule and have a laundry system that actually works for our family. I was able to consistently show up for myself and work out every single day, which improved me not only physically, but emotionally. And just going into 2025, I am excited to see what else I can stick to and what other rhythms that I can implement into my life that gives to me and my children. And these healthy habits are the things that really does make homemaking enjoyable and beautiful. And it really helps you embrace your role as a mother. And this is something that I have learned and that I am so grateful for.